So guys, welcome into a special edition today. What we're going to be doing is a pocket empty slash EDC. So basically I'm going to be showing you what my everyday carry items are. I've just emptied my bag out on the side so you can see them all there. There is two bonus items that are not on display at the minute that I carry around with me, especially on certain occasions. If you want to find out what they are, you're going to have to stand by. But let's go for it anyway. Hey guys, welcome into this special edition video here. We've got a little sneak peek going up in the corner here of this latest studio lighting. We've got some new lighting, a couple of videos coming up about them soon, so please do check them out. But today what we're here to do is we're going to go through my EDC. I'm a little bit apprehensive, you know what I mean, a little bit, but you know, a lot of people have been asking for this video, so by all means, let's go for it. Okay, first item out of the bag, iPhone 14, is it iPhone? No, iPhone 12 it is. Sorry, I'm like upgrading it there. To be honest, I got this late into last year. I didn't really see the value in getting the 13 at the time. There didn't really seem to be much going on. To be honest, this year, with the 14, they've only really just, you know, there's just a couple of camera upgrades. Nothing major, but I still love the camera on this. I like the colour blue as well, the blue that they used on this one. I think the newer one, it was slightly paler, didn't look as good. I like this one. I like this one. I'm quite happy with this. Obviously, the battery's starting to go on it a little bit. It is a Pro Max, so I did have high expectations of the battery anyway. But this one lasts quite good. I'm quite happy with it still. But, you know, this next time round, iPhone 15, it is going to get replaced. So the second thing, really, I suppose, that I've got to bring out here is my Apple Watch. I know I've got one on now. I've got quite a few of them anyway. If you know, you hang around the channel quite a bit, you know I love my Apple Watches. But this one's my regular at the minute. It's the Apple Watch 7 series in green. Yeah, I love it. I don't really, you know, the colours, the colours, sometimes they really hit and miss. I mean, to me, I mean, the camera actually, it doesn't, you can tell it is a bit greeny on the sides and stuff. But to be fair, there's not really much in, oh yeah, you can actually, when you put it right up to a, yeah, you see on them angles though, there's not really much there. Anyway, we digress. Next thing is my car key. It also has an Apple tag on it, because I'm a nightmare. I'm literally a nightmare. I leave my keys everywhere, in the couch, in jackets that I take off, put back on, you know, and just put back in the cupboard, whatever. Always losing them. And the feature where, you know, you can actually, it can guide you hot or colder to where you need to be to get hold of them. Needed, completely and utterly needed. Okay, next up we've got a lighter, clipper lighter, personalised as well. It's got my name on it and stuff. Red as well. I don't know why I've got like a multicoloured theme going on at the minute. It does seem that way in this video, but you know, it wasn't actually intentional. Sometimes I do like a bit of continuity, I like the same colours and stuff going on, but yeah. There's not too much going on with my everyday carry at the minute. Anyway, we move on. So, next thing is my key fobby thing, which is from, what's the name of this company? Keysmart. Keysmart was this company. They, a couple of years ago, got with Tile, you know, the company that kind of made them pre-AirTag kind of tracking devices. They partnered up with them. They made this, which is kind of like, you know, one of them Keysmart things where you can put all your keys together, but it has a built-in tile and a built-in torch as well. A built-in torch. The torch isn't working because it's dead. And yeah, you're kind of supposed to charge it for it to work. What's next? Oh, my card thing. So this is made by, like, I can't even tell you the name of this company, but I tell you what it's made like. very, very close to one of them ridge cases. You know, similar thing where you can get them with carbon fibre finishes and stuff like that. I have actually put mine up to somebody else who's got a ridge kind of case, and it is literally, there's no difference. There is no difference, not in the elastic, not in the metal sides. In fact, I think my friend had to pay extra to get that little clip. That's where I put money sometimes. He had to pay extra for that, to get that on his ridge thing. So yeah, I think this cost me about £13 on Amazon. So definitely the way to go about that one, I'd say, if that's what you're into. Oh, so it's getting pretty light now in my bag. So the next thing is AirPods, AirPods Pro to be specific. Love it, love the noise cancellation, but love the transparency as well. I don't even know how I went through life, because I'm one of them who likes to literally walk around with these on all the time. I need a soundtrack to life. That's the way I run myself. So it's good. It's good having the transparency mode, and it's good having the noise cancellation, you know, for when the kids are around. Okay, apart from like a couple of odds and sods, like a mask and stuff, there is only one item left. And this is, I get ridiculed for this item. I do, my friends ridicule me for this one. But it is actually like a little dispenser for, you know, aftershave. So I've got, you know, I'm into my aftershaves and that. I'll just take the lid off my aftershave, pump that up a little bit, and then I can take that aftershave with me for the day. So yeah, I swear by these. Again, like £2 or £3 this was on Amazon. So well worth it. So yeah, that is my bag empty. Now my bag does have enough space for two other items, but these two other items are kind of pretty specific. If I'm going to be in a situation that day, am I going to need one of these two items? Or am I just going to come across a situation where I'm going to need one or two of these items? One of them is my GoPro. I swear by this piece of kit. Really good, versatile. It all folds away and stuff, you know what I mean? I can do different things with it. Kind of, obviously, as you can see there, we can do the vlogging behaviour with it. We can do a bit of, I use this quite a lot for time-lapse stuff. But yeah, brilliant piece of kit. And because it's so small, literally as it is there now, fold it down. With all my other stuff, that'll still go in my bag. Job's a good one. The second thing, really, is just to complement the GoPro, really. And that's why I kind of, you know, they're both included. It's a DJI mic wireless system. I've done a video about this if you want to know a little bit more about this. I'm wearing it actually at the minute. So, you know, it's kind of pointless opening the case and showing you because there's nothing inside it. But yeah, this is like a charging case for it. And again, like with its small form factor, just folded right up next to the GoPro, takes almost no space at all. So, well worth carrying around with you. You know, for a content creator like myself, well worth carrying around with you. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much. I mean, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too underwhelming, but that's my everyday carry. That's what I like to carry around with me on a daily. I'm actually going to be doing another one of these videos very soon, which is going to be, I'm going to be going abroad for a couple of weeks, so I'm going to show you kind of what I would take with me to go abroad, and what, you know, kind of what you'd expect then. Obviously there's a couple of computers and stuff and that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'll save that for then. Until then though, thank you very much for chilling in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.